Kill!
Wow, did you guys see that? Alright, as you guys can see, today we're doing martial arts, and that's our martial art expert for the day, Kanishka.
Hi.
So, thank you so much for coming on to the show.
Pleasure.
And
Always on the show.
And Master Kanishka, that's our workout victim, Ankit.
Ankit.
Now, let me tell you that Ankit has already practiced martial art for Nibat a couple of years before, right?
Yeah, 2 years.
He was in Bangkok and he trained for a couple of years.
Yeah, I can see ancient Thai boxing.
Yeah.
Chaya
So,
club.
he's looking for some new kind of moves, something that he's never ever done before. So, what do you have in store for us today?
Something which demand respect automatically. Knife.
That's true.
Yeah.
Is it sharp by any means?
No, it's when we train with somewhat which should be near to original.
Okay.
So it's flattened from the blades,
Okay.
but when you fight, you have that feeling of holding a real knife rather than practicing with a blade. Because even if you just do like this, it hurts.
Absolutely.
Everywhere you touch it. One move, wrong move, you're going to be cut into pieces by a real knife.
Perfect.
So you should have a real feeling. You must feel it.
Makes sense. And how do we start, sir?
Knife versus empty hand.
Okay.
So I will show one technique first.
Okay.
The principles of knife fighting. The principle is based on triangle fighting system.
Okay.
Get off the line by going 45.
Okay.
You destruct his pressure point, which is Chi. You see, you press here.
Mm-hmm.
And then you control the guy. Any guy can be controlled from the elbow. You see, if I hold a guy from elbow,
Right.
and if he wants to slash at me,
He already can't move.
He cannot, because that's the fulcrum, basic science. So I'll do it slowly for you. So if he comes to slash, you see, go 45 and check.
Okay.
First principle, muscle tendon destruction. Destruct his bicep.
Okay. Whoa.
Break.
Okay.
Break the carotid artery.
Okay.
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 With power. Then you check. You load here. So once you press here, you see, goes up.
Yeah.
Get out.
Yeah.
Swing him down. And break his face.
Boom.
Oh shit.
And how quick this move is, like?
And now I'll show you the fast way of doing it.
Alright.
Goes.
That was probably, what, 2.5 seconds by my watch for sure. It's very, very quick.
Yeah, so principle is 3 seconds, the guy should be dead. Finished.
Okay, great. Ankit, you want to give this a try?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, why don't you come? So, Vicky, why don't you feed him? You see?
Alright.
Stand like, follow me, okay? You stand, load your position, left leg. Whenever left is in the front, try go towards your left side.
Okay.
So when you thrust you block, go. You block. You shuffle your leg and you push his elbow out completely. Hold it. You see, he can't move. Then you pull it a little bit down. Step the right feet forward and destruct his, bicep. Break his carotid. So when we say we elbow, we always huck.
Okay.
Break his carotid artery. Check his hand right away.
Okay.
In reality, if I strike him, the knife will be gone.
Okay.
Because his bicep will be completely destructed.
True.
Then you load the shoulder. You load the elbow on your shoulder, okay?
Okay.
It's called angel carry the wood. You see, once he stands straight and he press down, you can see his upper body from the back. You see, he's on his toes.
True, it's quite uncomfortable for me. I can see that.
Not only, it'll break his elbow
Yeah, okay.
completely.
Okay.
Then you shuffle the foot and take the right foot back
Okay.
and twist his wrist downwards. You see, he's going to fall
Yeah.
automatically. Load your leg
Awesome.
up on his face
Wow.
and break his face and get out. 3 seconds.
Wow. Can I also give this a try?
Yeah, why don't you do it? Do it on me. It's much better. See, I come, I'll do it very slowly. Once I thrust, you block, step 45 and block.
Okay.
Yes, and check, push, 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 push. Yeah.
Okay.
Load your arm, load your to strike here.
Okay.
Always from top using this sharp edge.
Okay. Here?
Yeah, and hack,
Okay.
break.
Alright.
You check immediately. Yeah,
Okay.
so I should not be able to move.
Alright.
Load it up.
Okay.
Yes, here. And check this. You see, I should not be able to move. So
Right.
you're checking this.
Okay.
And press it down. You
Okay.
see, I go up,
Yep.
then shuffle your feet out.
Okay.
Yeah. And you see, you twist me, you see, I'm going to fall. And then you load your leg on my face and slam it. Yeah, that's it.
And that's why you don't mess with me. If this guy gets... okay. We got to continue with this and I'll catch you in a while.